In this video, I will share my speed design process in making this wallpaper design. It is an honor to be part of the Wallpaper Design Contest held by the TEAMGROUP for designers around the world. If you want to take part in this contest, please go to the link that I created here, or you can get it in the description. The theme of the contest is Stay Safe, Stay Creative. On the website page, you can find wallpaper design that I have made, with other designers. You can download both of these wallpaper designs for free. And what is even more amazing are the prizes that TEAMGROUP offers in this contest. Here you can see the first prize is a PC worth $3,000. $3,000 PC with incredible specs with T-Create RAM and SSD. You can click on it to see the details of that $3,000 PC component. Especially this T-Create RAM and SSD, they are awesome. Just so you know, this prizes is very tantalizing, as well as the second prize and the Voters Special Award. For Voters Special Awards, you can invite your family and friends to get these 3 prizes. This prize is a raffle for those who choose their favorite piece in the final. Because it is not a prize for a contestant, so you can invite anyone to win this prize. So don't miss to take part in this contest, and tell all your friends to take part in this contest, so you can get a chance to win these prizes. To win this contest design, don't forget to read the details of the contest system, and note the date of submission. And the most important thing for you to remember is the rules of this contest. Contestants must share their wallpaper on Facebook or Instagram. Set the post to public and tag @TEAMGROUP Inc. with hashtag TCWD2021. And submit the link of your Facebook or Instagram post on Gleam, that provided here. You can go directly to this contest link here. Or, you can find it in the description. Back to the design that I have made as a demo in this contest. For the concept that I carry on this wallpaper design is, stay safe by still using a mask, and stay creative by filling yourself with creativity. There is always hope that this pandemic will end, there is always a sunrise in the next day. For detailed concept, you can see it in the description. Overall, in this design, we will see a girl wearing a mask looking upwards, while the abstract purple, pink, red and yellow colors are hitting her face. But there is another hidden message that I want to show besides the girl wearing a mask. The message I want to convey is that there will always be hope that this pandemic will end. If you rotate the design, and you will see the message. I describe the message with mountains with the rising sun with the blue sky above. Because we all know that nature always inspires us from all aspects, and by the sun rising in it means that there will always be hope. From the darkness of the night will always be replaced by the bright sun that will rise. Even with this pandemic condition there is always hope that it will end. Just to remind that TEAMGROUP wants to give a challenge to the designers out there, to create a work of art that inspires everyone to stay safe and stay creative. You can join by clicking the link here or you can find it in the description. Don't forget to join and accept the challenge from TEAMGROUP, and get a chance to win a prize of a PC worth $3,000. I hope this challenge can spur us all to stay creative and keep thinking positively that this pandemic is not an obstacle for all of us to keep working and stay safe. And the last thing I want to say is that I hope this pandemic can end quickly and make things normal again. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and turn on notifications for upcoming videos.